Do you want your life to be mind-blowing, where you live your best life? Well, today, I want you to think about this. Why be great when you could be amazing? Hey everyone, I'm Ava and welcome to my channel. Whether you're new or a current subscriber, I am so glad you decided to join me. I absolutely love The Rules for Being Amazing by Robin Sharma. Short, dynamic prompts to incite you to do exactly that. Risk more than is required. Learn more than is normal. Be strong, show courage. Breathe, excel, love, lead, speak your truth, live your values, laugh, cry, innovate, simplify, adore mastery, release mediocrity, aim for genius, stay humble, be kinder than expected, deliver more than is needed, exude passion, shatter your limits, transcend your fears, inspire others with your fitness, dream big but start small. Act now, don't stop, change the world. So how do you achieve big, audacious and daring goals? Hang out with positive people. Infuse your life with constructive influences. Manage your time and resources wisely. Have an inquiring mind. Ask questions constantly. Accept criticism. Seek ways to improve. Aim to be exceptionally efficient and proficient in everything you do. Gain knowledge continually. Take risks. Be open-minded. Develop your passions and talents. Treat everyone with respect. Help those in need. Don't be afraid to be you. Imagine yourself beyond your circumstances. Write your goals on a note card and read it back to yourself every day. Ensure your eating and drinking is improving your mental and physical performance. Read a book every week. Journal your thoughts, ideas, and strategies. Adopt the attitude of gratitude by thinking about 3 things that you are thankful for right now. So take responsibility and don't play the blame game. Now it's your turn. How will you be amazing today? Thanks for watching, and remember, don't count the days, but make the days count.